Hi everybody, we're going to do something super fun today and tomorrow. We're going to start reading and watching the play The Crucible. We're done with the historical documents, all right? We're getting into literature now. And this play is about the Salem witch trials and takes place around that time, talks about mass hysteria, all of this stuff. So instead of just doing like a pre-reading PowerPoint, we're going to do a pre-reading escape room. Okay, so I'm going to kind of explain how you're supposed to do it. But basically, you first need a Gmail account. If you don't have one, please make one. You'll need one next year when you're seniors for a senior project anyway, so it's a good idea to have one. If you have one, great, just log in to that, and all you do is just search Google account, and create an account. Make sure it's school appropriate, obviously, and then write down your password so you don't forget it, and get logged in or make an account here. Okay, and then once you log in, just keep it in this tab that's open. Pause me right now. Get logged into Google. Okay, so once you are logged into Google, you are going to go back to ThingLink. Okay, so click View 360. Let me make this go away. And you can click and drag around. And this is Salem, Massachusetts. This is a graveyard. And some of the Salem witches were buried here. Okay, that's kind of interesting. So the very first thing you're going to do is click on this letter. It says, "Dear student, read all of the directions. If you try and skip ahead, you will not escape Salem. To avoid being lost, read all passages carefully, look for hidden clues, and take notes along the way. Good luck and Godspeed. P.S. Where to go is what matters most. It's a simple rhyme. Click on the ghost." So it says click on the ghost. Here's the ghost. Real quick, if you want to do this with a partner, somebody in your pod that's in the same grade, or you want to do it over Teams or something with a partner, that's totally fine with me. Just make sure you put, let me know who you worked with, okay? So click on Ghost. And now we have a little bit of reading. So Witchcraft in Salem. Our source is ushistory.org, and this was written in 2016. In 1962, a series of strange events that cannot be fully accounted for today broke out in the Puritan settlement of Salem, Massachusetts. Accusations of witchcraft quickly spread throughout the town, and many, especially the women of Salem, feared that they would be next. Okay, so you keep reading, click through it yourself, keep reading. If you noticed, there are some red letters, okay? Some letters are red, so if you write them down in order, they might spell out a message. So there's a clue, but read this, then probably write down the red letters and see where you're supposed to click on next. I am going to just click on a random one. Not saying this is the next one. It could be, could not be. So I'm going to click here, and it says click for clue. And this is why we need a Gmail account, because this is through Google Slides. So click make a copy. I'm just gonna drink my Coke while this loads. Okay, so combination for lock 1. Move the magnifying glass over the empty box to reveal the clue. You'll probably need a paper and pencil for this, or something to write with, or a notes page open or something. So what you're going to do is Google these. So again, you'll be Googling Salem witch trial, and you can say the number of people in prison awaiting trial in Google. It'll give you a number. Same for the next numbers. And so write those numbers down. Okay? And once you do that, you go back to ThingLink. And this is where you enter. So the numbers are where you enter your answer for the clue. So you click lock 1, because that was the lock 1 clue. You put in your numbers. So you write all of the numbers in order of the clue, no spaces and no punctuation in between. If you get it correct, you click next, and then it will give you another clue as to what to click on next, okay? So if you have any questions, please use each other first, use a friend, and then ask me. I think that this is really fun and interesting, but I am more than willing to help. I just kind of want you to figure it out. Try and figure it out on your own first, okay? Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.